look up bibimbap recipes, you get something like this. These are the Ferraris of the bibimbap world. We're gonna uncomplicate it, and I'm gonna show you how to make a very undaunting version of it. You can whip it up within minutes. Let's do it.
I didn't specifically choose these vegetables, they just happen to be in my fridge. So basically, use what you have, use what you want. Use a mix of veg that will give you a nice crunch texturally, such as cabbage or carrots, paired with some sort of leafy green if you have, like spinach or any kind of lettuce. And that should basically do the trick. Like, did you see the radish that I cut? Have you ever seen a radish in a bibimbap before? No, I haven't. Who cares? It's still good. Alright, let's make our sauce. You're gonna need 2 tablespoons of gochujang, which is your red pepper paste, followed by 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey, although I might have put a little more than that by accident. No problem. Here I have a pack of roasted cereal, and just crush it up and let it rain. And just mix it up. This should be enough sauce for 2 to 3 servings of rice. That is a sexy mix of savory, sweet, and spice. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention that I added sesame seeds. That's optional. So I'm gonna make enough here for 2.5 people. We're gonna crack 2 eggs. Had some leftover rice, chuck that in. Screw it, let's add another egg. Want vegetarian? Skip the egg. Add your vegetable medley. Add your sauce. I literally quick fried this within 5 minutes. Most of the vegetables are still kind of raw, which is totally delicious as it gives your bites a nice fresh crunch blended with the softness of the rice. It's awesome. Just cut your veg like I have into matchsticks and thin slices. That honestly doesn't even look that bad. And really though, like once that bibimbap is all mixed up, it looks like this anyways. So just make it quick, get satisfied, be happy folks. Please support by liking and subscribing. See you later.